Hi guys! Kuya in Dubai. So, today pupunta tayo sa Aura Sky Pool and sasakay tayo ng metro papuntang Palm. So, kita nyo naman ready na kami. Then, hanggang Internet City. Then, sasakay tayong taxi papuntang Palm. So, here we go! So, Aura Sky Pool is the 360-degree highest infinity pool in Dubai. So, nakikita niyo yung tower na yon. And, excited na ako. Dito na ako sa St. Regis. So, kailangan namin mag-fall in line to come up. Pero lahat kami may mga reservation. So, ito na nga. Dito tayo sa Palm side. Ito yung napili nating side. And, welcome to Aura Sky Pool. And, yeah. Excited na ako mag-swimming. I'm with my friend Nikki. So, workmate ko siya. And we're working also as an F&B staff attendants on also pool bar. Pero I could say na ang ganda talaga dito. Ibang-iba sa amin. So, Aura Sky Pool is the 360 degree. They have 4 views. Yun ang aking na-research. Meron silang in view, palm view, city view, and the bridge view. Yeah. So, umorder muna kami ng drink since ang napili naming timings is sunset. Enjoy kaming kumain and we have something to drink. And then here we go. So, ang dami naming in-order na food. Lahat masarap. And then, enjoy din yung kasama ko. So, meron kaming free welcome dessert that says welcome to Aura. Yeah, Nikki's enjoying. So, nag-video kami. Siyempre, papatalo ba ako? Meron din akong video. So, na-enjoy ko to. So, napag-decidean ko na ikutin and mag-take ng videos since ang ganda nga ng area. So, napili namin ng sunset. So, mag-start tayo sa Palm View. And then, now, we are heading to in view or the marina side. So makikita natin na a bit hazy and cloudy pero clear pa rin because now in Dubai it's starting to come in the summer season. So when it's summer here, expect the humid and a bit foggy. Then yan, lakad tayo. So, ang saya dito kasi ang level lang ng pool nila is 4 feet or chest level. So, habang naglalakad tayo dito sa Marina View, sinecheck ko, ang ganda talaga. Then, papunta tayo ng City View since it's a 360 degree. So, hindi ko na rin alam kung nasan si Nikki but we're both enjoying. Ito ang city skyline. They said that pag nasa city skyline guys, parang kita mo na yung half of Dubai, which is mukha naman, kitang-kita naman. And then now, the last part would be the Burj Al Arab view or Burj view because makikita mo dito ang Burj Al Arab and also the Burj Khalifa. Pero since it's foggy and hazy, medyo unclear siya. Pero okay lang as long as nakikita namin yung view. So, makikita mo rin na yung mga tao dito is enjoying. Then, eto, makikita nyo, may mga kabana. So, they have limited 8 cabanas. I think that's the most expensive beds that they offer. Like 1,500 dirhams for 2. But, yun lang. It's only for entrance or for pool access. So, meron ditong sofa seating, meron din ditong beds, meron din ditong high tables, but all in all, same ng mga binibigyan nilang offer, which is that's only for pool access. So, ito, makikita nyo, nandito tayo sa Atlantis. Makita nyo, everyone is waiting for sunset. And this will end my video. So, comment support again. I'm back. I'm Kuya in Dubai. And subscribe my channel. See you!